Today I decided to review the top 5 best camping cooking utensils on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1, 27-piece camping cooking accessory kit, designed for family or outdoor enthusiast. All your needs for cooking, perfect for travel, picnics, RVs, camping, hiking, backyard barbecuing and more. Included accessories. Part to know more, check description below. User-friendly design. Perfect lightweight and ergonomic grips ensure avoiding getting burns and skid. Enhanced storage and quality. Compact zippered bag with outside handle for easy transportation, compact storage, and quick organization. Safe and durable. Crafted with food-graded stainless steel or PP material, non-toxic and BPA-free. Number 2. Bisgear. The weather-retardant utensil kit is the perfect camp kitchen accessory, and it holds all your essential outdoor cooking. Durable and long-lasting. Made with tough woven cotton, it protects your utensils from the elements, falls, and it has multiple compartments. Satisfaction guarantee. Number 3. Durable, high-grade, stainless steel camping utensils that is corrosion-resistant. BPA-free. Compact custom bag. Perfect gift for anyone who enjoys cooking outdoors or in the kitchen. Birthday, Christmas, Father's Day, Valentine's Day gift. Number 4. BenBen. Camp Kitchen Utensil Set. Compact and has just about anything and everything you could possibly need. Keep one in your car for those occasions when you go to the park for a picnic. Engineered with a sleek design, it stores away easily in standard storage spaces. Material, stainless steel. Number 5. Owlier. Safe and high quality. Crafted with food-graded stainless steel or PP material, non-toxic, BPA-free. Compact ability. Neatly organizes and holds utensils in one convenient place. So, units don't get smeared, scratched or damaged in storage or in transit. Practical for multiple purposes. All essentials for everyday cooking and grilling covered and others. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these cooking utensils, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.